Hey, so that was the Seewiesen hike we did in Austria. It's been around 2 weeks since we came back. It was really beautiful. I have to say, it was interesting hiking with friends rather than alone for once. And yeah, we did around 15 miles or 24 kilometers, and we slept in around 1800 meters above sea, so pretty high. But we found a really beautiful valley that you can see in the video, and we had the whole valley for ourselves. We only had to share it with little creatures called marmots, which were really interesting actually. I was uh, I was surprised how much life there is in the Alps. These little marmots, they are really interesting. They when they see you, they whistle really loud to warn their fellow marmots, and then they run across the fields or meadows back to their little holes. So that's really funny uh, to experience this. And we also met a lot of Capricorns. Yes, they are actual animals, Capricorns. And it was interesting because they didn't really seem to be scared of us at all. I mean, they had these huge horns, so I was the one scared. But yeah, they seem to be really used to humans, so they got sometimes really up and close. And almost the whole hike we had nice weather. During the days the weather was really nice, warm but not too warm, so we didn't sweat too much. But in the night we had quite an intensive rain, so it is always really loud in the tent when you have rain. But fortunately the tent was really good, so it didn't really rain through it almost at all. And in the morning, we were dry and ready to have some breakfast and then continue on our way. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one. Wait, you're still here? What are you doing? You might as well subscribe. You see, 438% of people watching this video are not subscribed, and that's wrong. You might as well help me clean this mess. Thank you.